All right, so we have simple quick detailer here. This is not like Gleam. It doesn't have any protection, but after we've washed and dried this car, in some cases, a little water, as you can see, drips out here. This is great for just touch-ups, for after you've washed the car, you've traveled to and from a car show, as we've mentioned, maybe you want to wipe it down real quick. Simple is exactly what it is. Spray it on the surface and just wipe it in. And unlike Gleam, it's not really gonna leave much behind, but you're always gonna wanna just kind of secondary knock it down. It's gonna leave the surface, like Gleam, a little slick, smooth feeling, so you're not having a towel kind of causing marrings. But in areas like this where you have water, you can use it as a touch-up to pick up any of that excess residue. Maybe you don't have air to dry your car, and it'll help dry up everything else as a drying aid or quick detailing agent. To learn more or order your own, visit www.aensousa.com.